Hello everyone and welcome back to my Lightway YouTube channel. Today, I'll be sharing some valuable insights that we know you'll enjoy. Sit back, grab your favorite drink and let us get started. Today's video talks about the power of manifestation, how to create the life you want on Lily's life. If you liked the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Let us go to the video soon. Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a young dreamer named Lily. Lily had always possessed a vivid imagination and an unwavering belief in the power of her dreams. She believed that she had the ability to shape her own destiny and create the life she truly desired. One day, as Lily sat beneath the shade of a magnificent oak tree, she came across a worn book that spoke of the ancient art of manifestation. Intrigued by its contents, Lily delved into its pages, discovering the extraordinary power that lay within her grasp. The book revealed that manifestation was not some mystical practice but a deliberate and focused intention to bring desires into reality. It explained that thoughts held the power to shape the world around us, and by harnessing this power, one could create a life filled with abundance, joy, and fulfillment. Inspired by the possibilities, Lily decided to embark on a journey of manifestation. She immersed herself in the teachings of the book, learning the importance of clarity, belief, and inspired action. Lily understood that to manifest her dreams, she had to align her thoughts, emotions, and actions with the life she envisioned. With a heart full of hope, Lily began to visualize her ideal life. She saw herself living in a cozy cottage surrounded by nature, working in a fulfilling career that ignited her passion, and surrounded by loving relationships. She allowed herself to feel the emotions of gratitude, joy, and abundance as if her dreams had already come to fruition. As Lily held steadfast to her vision, the universe began to conspire in her favor. Opportunities presented themselves, seemingly by serendipity. Doors opened, and unexpected connections were made. Lily recognized these synchronicities as signs that her dreams were being woven into reality. But manifestation was not simply a matter of wishful thinking. It required action and a belief in the inherent power within. Lily took inspired steps towards her dreams, breaking free from the confines of self-doubt and fear. She pursued her passions with unwavering determination and embraced the challenges that came her way as stepping stones towards her desired life. With each small victory, Lily's belief in the power of manifestation grew stronger. She discovered that her thoughts had the ability to shape her reality, and her dreams were not mere fantasies but blueprints for her future. Lily realized that she held the pen to write her own story, and she was determined to create a masterpiece. As time passed, Lily's manifestations began to materialize. She found herself living in the cottage of her dreams, waking up to the sounds of nature and basking in the beauty of her surroundings. She discovered a fulfilling career that aligned with her passions and talents, where she made a positive impact on the lives of others. And her relationships blossomed, filled with love, support, and connection. Lily's journey of manifestation became an inspiration to those around her. People witnessed the power of her focused intention, her unwavering belief, and her dedication to taking inspired action. They marveled at how her dreams had become a tangible reality and wondered if they too could harness this power within themselves. Lily shared her wisdom, teaching others the art of manifestation. She encouraged them to dream big, to release limiting beliefs, and to take intentional steps towards their desired lives. She reminded them that they were the creators of their own destinies and that the power to manifest their dreams lay within their hearts and minds. And so, dear reader, remember Lily's story as a gentle reminder of the power of manifestation. Embrace your dreams, visualize your desires, and align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the life you wish to create. Believe in the magic that resides within you, and let the universe conspire in your favor. With unwavering faith and inspired action, you have the ability to manifest a life beyond your wildest imagination. Thank you for watching our video and making it all the way to the end. We hope you enjoyed today's insights and learned something new. If you like to contact me, Facebook and Instagram link in channel description. We also want to hear what you think, so leave us a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon.